The automotive world is about to change forever. Toyota, the global king of reliability, innovation, and engineering excellence, is preparing to unleash a revolutionary lineup of vehicles in 2026 and 2027 that will redefine performance, luxury, efficiency, and adventure. These 7 upcoming Toyota vehicles are not just cars. They are statements of power, technology, and futuristic vision. From legendary off-road icons reborn, to cutting-edge electric SUVs, and breathtaking high-performance sports cars, this lineup represents the boldest chapter in Toyota's history. Every single model in this list has been engineered with precision, passion, and purpose. These vehicles combine Toyota's unmatched durability with modern luxury, futuristic technology, jaw-dropping performance, and emotional design. Whether you are a family buyer, an off-road enthusiast, a performance junkie, or a luxury lifestyle seeker, this list offers something extraordinary for everyone. This is not just a future preview. This is a glimpse into the next generation of driving. Let's dive into the 7 new Toyota vehicles coming in 2026 and 2027 that you absolutely won't regret buying. The Toyota Land Cruiser is more than just a vehicle. It is a symbol of unstoppable durability, extreme reliability, and unstoppable adventure. And in 2026, Toyota is bringing back one of its most legendary forms, the Land Cruiser J80. This revival is not merely a redesign. It is a complete rebirth of a global icon. The new Land Cruiser J80 retains its classic boxy DNA while introducing cutting-edge engineering, modern luxury, and futuristic technology. The design is bold, muscular, and commanding, instantly reminding enthusiasts of its unstoppable heritage. The squared-off silhouette, wide stance, massive grille, and aggressive LED lighting create a presence that dominates every road and trail. Under the hood, Toyota is expected to introduce a powerful hybrid turbocharged powertrain delivering massive torque, exceptional fuel efficiency, and brutal off-road performance. With advanced 4-wheel drive systems, multi-terrain driving modes, locking differentials, crawl control, adaptive suspension, and advanced traction management, this SUV is designed to conquer deserts, mountains, snow, mud, and rocks with absolute confidence. The interior transforms rugged adventure into refined luxury. Premium leather seats, advanced digital displays, a fully digital instrument cluster, massive infotainment screens, ambient lighting, premium sound systems, and intelligent climate control create an environment that feels both powerful and luxurious. The cabin is built with durability in mind, using high-grade materials capable of handling extreme conditions without sacrificing comfort. Safety and driver assistance technologies elevate the driving experience with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, 360-degree cameras, off-road terrain monitoring, and AI-powered driving assistance systems. The Land Cruiser J80 Revival is built to handle the wild while pampering passengers with first-class comfort. This is not just an SUV. This is a beast reborn. A machine engineered for explorers, adventurers, and those who refuse to be limited by roads. Toyota's compact cruiser EV is one of the most exciting electric vehicles on the horizon. It fuses classic off-road design inspiration with futuristic electric technology, creating a compact SUV that feels both nostalgic and revolutionary. The design takes cues from classic Land Cruiser models, delivering boxy proportions, rugged styling, short overhangs, bold fenders, and muscular lines. The result is a vehicle that looks tough, capable, and instantly recognizable. Sharp LED headlights, futuristic light bars, bold body contours, and aggressive stance make this compact EV look like a true adventure machine. Underneath its rugged exterior lies a fully electric powertrain engineered for performance, efficiency, and sustainability. The high-capacity battery system provides strong acceleration, impressive driving range, and instant torque delivery. Electric motors deliver smooth, silent, and powerful traction, making urban driving effortless and off-road adventures thrilling. Advanced all-wheel drive technology ensures superior grip on every surface, while intelligent torque vectoring distributes power precisely where it is needed. This allows the compact cruiser EV to climb steep terrain, navigate rough trails, and handle slippery roads with confidence. Inside, the cabin is a futuristic sanctuary. Minimalist design, high-quality sustainable materials, advanced digital displays, smart connectivity, and ambient lighting create a modern and immersive environment. Large touchscreens, intuitive interfaces, and AI-powered driving assistance systems bring next-level convenience and control. This is the perfect vehicle for urban adventurers, outdoor explorers, and eco-conscious drivers who want rugged capability without compromising sustainability. The compact cruiser EV is proof that the future of off-roading is electric, and it looks absolutely stunning. The Toyota CHR Plus EV brings bold design and dynamic performance into the electric era. Designed to attract young drivers and urban professionals, this electric crossover is a perfect blend of sporty styling, futuristic technology, and everyday practicality. Its design is aggressive and futuristic, featuring sharp lines, coupe-like proportions, sculpted body panels, aerodynamic curves, and striking LED lighting. The flowing roofline, aggressive front fascia, and bold rear design give the CHR Plus EV an athletic personality that stands out instantly. Powered by Toyota's latest electric drivetrain technology, the CHR Plus EV delivers instant acceleration, smooth performance, and impressive range. The electric motors provide quiet yet thrilling driving dynamics, while advanced battery technology ensures fast charging and long-distance capability. The interior is designed to feel premium, futuristic, and immersive. A digital cockpit with high-resolution displays, large infotainment screens, advanced connectivity features, premium materials, ambient lighting, and intuitive controls make every journey feel special. Advanced climate control, intelligent driving modes, and smart driver assistance systems enhance comfort, safety, and convenience. This vehicle represents the perfect balance between performance and practicality. It is sporty enough to excite, efficient enough to impress, and advanced enough to define the future of urban mobility. This is the crown jewel of Toyota's upcoming lineup. The GR-GT is not just a sports car. It is Toyota's most ambitious performance project ever. Designed under the Gazoo Racing division, the GR-GT is built to rival supercars from Europe and America. Its design is breathtaking, featuring an ultra-low stance, aggressive aerodynamics, sculpted bodywork, massive air intakes, carbon fiber elements, and razor-sharp LED lighting. Every angle screams speed, performance, and dominance. Under the hood lies a monstrous hybrid twin-turbo V8 powertrain that delivers jaw-dropping horsepower, brutal acceleration, and track-ready performance. This machine is engineered for extreme speed, delivering lightning-fast 0 to 60 mph times and breathtaking top speeds. Advanced hybrid systems ensure maximum efficiency while boosting acceleration and torque. The chassis features carbon fiber construction, active aerodynamics, adaptive suspension, performance-tuned steering, and advanced braking systems. Every component is designed for ultimate driving precision and control. Inside, the cockpit feels like a fighter jet. Carbon fiber accents, racing seats, digital performance displays, heads-up display systems, and advanced telemetry features transform the driving experience into something extraordinary. Every detail is focused on performance, control, and driver immersion. The GR-GT is not just built to compete. It is built to dominate. This is Toyota proving to the world that it can build a true supercar capable of challenging the greatest names in automotive history. The next-generation Toyota RAV4 plug-in hybrid takes everything people love about the RAV4 and elevates it to a whole new level. The design becomes more aggressive, athletic, and modern, featuring sharper lines, bold grille styling, muscular proportions, and futuristic lighting elements. The new RAV4 looks stronger, more dynamic, and more premium than ever before. Under the hood, the plug-in hybrid powertrain delivers exceptional performance and efficiency. Electric-only driving allows for silent city commuting, while the gasoline engine provides extended range and long-distance convenience. The combined output delivers quick acceleration, smooth power delivery, and impressive fuel economy. The interior focuses on comfort, technology, and practicality. Large digital displays, advanced infotainment systems, wireless connectivity, premium materials, spacious seating, and intelligent storage solutions create an environment perfect for families, commuters, and adventure lovers alike. Advanced safety systems, including Toyota's Safety Sense technology, provide peace of mind with adaptive cruise control, lane centering, automatic emergency braking, and intelligent driving assistance. The new RAV4 plug-in hybrid is the ultimate everyday SUV, combining efficiency, power, comfort, and reliability in one perfectly balanced package. The Toyota BZ Woodland EV is built for those who crave adventure but want a sustainable future. This rugged electric SUV brings true off-road capability into the electric era. The design is bold and muscular, featuring aggressive body cladding, high ground clearance, off-road tires, skid plates, roof racks, and rugged detailing. It looks tough, capable, and ready to conquer any terrain. Powered by advanced electric motors and a high-capacity battery, the BZ Woodland EV delivers instant torque, exceptional traction, and impressive driving range. Advanced all-wheel drive systems, terrain management modes, and off-road driving aids ensure confident performance in extreme conditions. The interior blends rugged durability with modern luxury. Premium materials, waterproof surfaces, digital displays, ambient lighting, and intelligent connectivity create a comfortable and futuristic cabin. Large cargo capacity and flexible seating configurations make it ideal for outdoor adventures, camping, and long road trips. This vehicle proves that electric vehicles can be just as capable, tough, and adventurous as traditional off-road machines. The Toyota Highlander EV represents the future of family transportation. This three-row electric SUV delivers massive space, advanced technology, luxurious comfort, and zero-emission driving. The exterior design is sleek, elegant, and futuristic, featuring flowing lines, bold LED lighting, aerodynamic shapes, and a commanding presence. The Highlander EV looks premium, modern, and sophisticated. Under the body lies a powerful electric drivetrain delivering smooth acceleration, long-range capability, and ultra-quiet driving. Advanced battery technology ensures fast charging and extended driving distances, making it perfect for family road trips. The interior is a masterpiece of comfort and innovation. Spacious seating for 7 passengers. Premium leather upholstery, panoramic glass roof, massive digital displays, ambient lighting, and advanced climate control systems create a luxurious and relaxing environment. State-of-the-art safety features, intelligent driver assistance systems, and advanced connectivity options make every journey safe, easy, and enjoyable. The Highlander EV is designed for families who want space, luxury, technology, and sustainability in one incredible package. Final thoughts: Toyota's future is unstoppable. Toyota's 2026 and 2027 lineup is nothing short of revolutionary. These 7 vehicles represent the perfect fusion of heritage, innovation, performance, luxury, and sustainability. From legendary off-road icons and futuristic electric SUVs to breathtaking supercars and intelligent family vehicles, Toyota is shaping the future of mobility in every possible direction. Each model delivers reliability, advanced technology, emotional design, and unforgettable driving experiences. These vehicles are not just transportation tools. They are lifestyle machines built to inspire passion, confidence, and excitement. The future of driving is electric. The future of adventure is hybrid. The future of performance is beyond imagination. And Toyota is leading the charge. These 7 new Toyota vehicles are more than just upcoming models. They are the next evolution of automotive excellence. And if you choose any one of them, you truly won't regret it.